Today I am going to start fifth chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. Acids are those substances which are sour in taste. The word acid has been derived from a Latin word acidus, which means sour. Thus all sour substances essentially contain acids. Substances like lemon juice, orange juice, unripe mango and curd taste sour because they contain substances called acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The acids in these substances are natural acid. Actually, two kinds of acids are there. The first one is natural acid and the second one is mineral acid. Natural acids are those acids which are found in nature. Just like acids found in fruits are natural acids like acetic acid, tartaric acid, etc. Whereas mineral acids are those acids which are derived from minerals, or we can say inorganic compounds. They are also called inorganic acid because they are derived from inorganic compounds. The example of mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Now I am going to discuss about acids and their sources. If we are discussing about acetic acid, then acetic acid is found in vinegar. Formic acid is found in ant's sting. Okay, whereas citric acid is found in citrus fruits such as orange, lemon. If we are discussing about lactic acid, then lactic acid is present in curd. Okay, and if oxalic acid, then oxalic acid is present in tomato. Clear? And then now the last one, tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is present in unripe mangoes, grapes, etc. As acids are those substances which are sour in taste. Similarly, bases are those substances which are bitter in taste. If we prepare a solution of baking soda in water and rub it between our fingers, it feels soapy. Substances like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touch, are known as bases. The chemical nature of such substances is said to be basic. All bases are not soluble in water. So, bases which are soluble in water are called alkali. Just like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, these all are examples of alkali because these are bases which are soluble in water. So we can say that those bases which are soluble in water are called alkali. Bases are found in different substances such as bleach, ammonia, washing powder and soap. And the basic substances are the substances that contain a base in them. So finally, we can conclude that bases are those substances which have bitter taste and soapy on touch. And some water soluble bases are called alkali